All right, so let's read the question. What does the question say? What is the equation? Stop. What's it say again? Stop. So what is it? What is it? Pi r squared. Very good. Okay, do you see how I'm reading through and doing what I know? Y'all good? Yeah? Okay, what else does it say? Okay, stop. What is circumference?
All the way around.
All the way around, but what's the equation? 2 pi r. Very good. Or you could have written pi d, right? Okay, do you remember how we say this? Remember how to say this? It's the exact same thing. So how would you say this? Same thing, right? You letting it freak you out because it looks different. Okay, so here we go. Do you notice anything special about, because we got to put these together. Do you notice anything about both of these equations? They both have pi, which is not going to change, right? They both have an r. So what can I do? Because I need to plug C into A. So what could I do and solve for here that I could plug into A?
Put the 2 on the outside.
It is on the outside.
No, I put it in the front.
Like this?
No.
No?
Wait, yeah.
What you mean?
I don't know.
Okay. Hold on.
I know what he means. I think I know what he means.
What, Brett?
I put like 2 on the outside like a both.
Because you're going to have to distribute it one.
Well, it's already being multiplied, so what's the opposite of being multiplied? Divide. And what did they have in common again? Pi and r, which I don't care about pi because it's not going to change. So I can figure out what r is and then plug it into A. So how do I figure out what r is? 2 and pi. There you go. Oh man, this should look familiar from some of your quizzes. Hopefully. So what's r?
See?
There you go. Whole thing. C divided by 2 pi. Alright, so now I know what r is, right? So what can I do? I can take, what's r equal? And I can plug him in right there, okay? Does that make sense? Alright, so here we go. So we got A equals pi, but I'm not going to put r. What am I going to put instead of r?
C divided by 2.
Oh, and did you notice how I put that in parentheses? Because all of that is squared. Do you see something that I could do to simplify that?
2 times 5.
No, I want to leave it as pi. You see anything else that I can simplify? The square, yeah, because I don't want to solve for anything. So how can I square? What's c squared? C squared. What's 2 pi squared? Don't be scared. You know what it is. 4 pi squared. There you go. Alright, now I'm multiplying, right? Right here. How do I make this a fraction? Yeah. Do you see anything that'll cancel? See anything that'll reduce? Yeah, you do. What do you see that's like? The pi's, right? And if you come over here on the side, if you've got it like this, you've got pi on top, and you got pi squared on the bottom, what happens? They can cancel, right? One of these cancels with one of those. How many do I have left? 1. So what do I have left over here? I have pi's canceled. So what's left on top? Yeah. Over 4 pi. We're going to do more like that. Don't worry, okay?
Okay. No.
So is that the answer?
That's the answer. Yes, a simplified answer. Whew. Oh, wait, hold on. We shouldn't have wrote A. We should have wrote A of C. Oop, that's what it wanted us to find. A of C. Sorry. Whew. Okay. They're going to get easier the more we do, okay? Don't worry, all right? Here we go. What are we going to do next? ACT numbers 8 through 10. So, if we're doing 3 problems, how many minutes do you get? 3. Yes, I have your quizzes graded. Yes, you're going to see them in just a minute. Average was I think in this class it was like an 85, something like that. So it was pretty good. Look, there was either you knew it and you got an A or a B, or you didn't know it and you didn't get an A or a B. Does that make sense? Like there were no C's. I think there may have been literally one C in like all of my classes that took just one C. The rest were like either A's and B's or something else, okay? So it was a pretty good job. But if we didn't make a good grade, then that's okay, because what do you get to do on this quiz? Corrections. And how long do you have to make corrections? 1 week, which will be next Friday, which is pep rally day, right? So you have to come 0 period. But before you can do corrections, what do you have to do first? You have to come to tutoring first, okay? That makes sense? Y'all okay? All right, let's do this, and then we'll hand them out. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 8 through 10. 8 through 10. Go. All right, here we go. You ready? Got that put up in your math workshop section. And all right, when I call your name, come grab your quiz, and we're going to talk about a few things. Here we go. Matthew, Sawyer, Aaron, Kat, Jasmine, Kaylee, Lucy, Brent, Melanie, Jack, Michaela, Elizabeth, Nathan, Aaron, Hope, Nate, Nayeli, Ethan, Isaac, Noah, Madeline, Kayla, Jesse, Put, Emily, and Jenny. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. We are not going to go over this question by question because you get to do quiz corrections, right? So let's talk about the check marks. They were each 5 points apiece. So what do you think the check mark means? You got all 5 points, right? And then what do you think it means if you got a +4? Yes, I know it means you got 4 points, but what do you think it means about your understanding if you got a +4?
You knew it, but you just didn't get the right answer.
You knew it, but you did something like real small and you get the right answer, right? It's just something small, like a +1. What do you think a +1 means? You didn't come for school, right? For a +1. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay, I was up extremely late grading these, so I probably missed something. Go through, add everything up, make sure it gives you the number at the very bottom on both sides, and then add the 2 bottom numbers up and make sure it gives you the top, okay? I haven't made a mistake so far, but I could have missed one because it was kind of late.
So what would a plus?
Okay. +3 means that you probably started it off right, but you went wrong somewhere a good bit.
I see
It
what
means
I
you got
see.
about half
I
of it.
see. I definitely see number 7. I see what I got that wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, number 9, you set it up correctly, but you went way wrong with your calculations from there. All right, so if you have a specific question that you want to ask me, guys, just bring it to me, okay? If you're good to go, you don't have any questions, everything checks out right, what should you do with it? Put it in the trig. Go ahead. And then we're going to get out notes, page 13. I was ready to read fast. Have you finished it? You didn't finish the problem? No, the 2 that you need to finish, you finished those, and I'm going to regrade yours. The other ones, yes, you can do test corrections. No? All right. Look. That's why I gave you a +3. You did it, like, had that in mind, you would have done great. But you took the line in the spot. All right, y'all on page 13, ready to go?
And there is one thing I have to know, of course, about the test rate.
But if you don't want to do these corrections, then you don't want to.
Yeah, but if you want to do correction, you can come here, and work on that's how I do. That makes sense. Okay, what you got?
I'm looking at 16.
Okay. All right, here, guys. Here's what I want you to do real quick, okay, while I'm finishing up with them. Find your partner. You see your partner. Look at your partner. Find your partner.
Me.
All right. Here's what we're going to do. I want you and your partner to finish solving and graphing, and then we will go back through and learn how to do the notation. Does that make sense? Good, good, good? Everyone, yep. Just once they're, well, we've already done 2 of them, so you only need 1 left. Yeah. All right, that's okay. Are you wanting to do the quiz correction? If so, you don't have to do your problems, then I cannot show you how to do these.
Hey, you were that 1C on all of our classes.
I don't understand. I understand.
I got to see too.
First of all, this is a This one you're wanting to solve with K. So you didn't want to move the M. You want to move this. The K. Because you added that over. Added the K and the H. This is the result. You don't type it out. You add the H. Then get rid of the K.
Move this over.
Plus
I have to done mine.
Okay. How are we doing? Y'all okay? Guys, there are, I think there's 2 of them that are fractions. Please keep them fractions, okay? Stop putting decimals. No decimals. Decimals are not your friend in Algebra 2 with Trig. Get in the mindset of using fractions, okay? You don't have to really deal with fractions. You have to write your answer in fractions. There you go. That's right.
So like number 2 is negative 3.
Yeah. Alright, so then you do, so this one would be negative 4, right? This number 4, oh, right here. So negative 4 is the number. Yeah, but I thought it was okay, so we have negatives, you go backwards. Or 1, so you put 1 right there. And then that one would be negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1 half. So fix those and make them simplify, okay? Get some simplifying. This is negative 1. That's negative 1 half. There you go. Negative 1 half.
Now take it back.
Okay, so this is negative fractions. So negative 4. Make sure you simplify, okay? This is negative 4, this is reduced. And on the other side, negative 2 over 4 is
You gotta make it like.
Oh, okay. So you got it? Is that the only one you can them? Sure. It's alright, we'll get them. Don't worry about it. Look at it. Look, we got so many quizzes that go on. By the time we get done, how long quiz? Yes, quizzes, tests.
No, I'm not.
But remember, you gotta come to tutoring first. You gotta write 2 6. And then you only got half credit. So it's better just to come to tutoring first and not have to worry about
That's fine.
Yes.
See, I got
it.
Yeah, I'm scared. Sorry, my brain.
How we doing? Okay. Yep. So what do we do? Divide by negative. You divide, but you just did divide by negative. Multiply or divide by negative. Negative is opposite. Okay.
My brain is.
Oh, right. And then you got me back. Wait, signal flip. And you read like, yeah. Like, when I'm taking it, I felt so bad. And then he had got me back. Oh, I felt so bad. Dude, it's weird to get these. It was so long ago. Yeah. You know they practice. Yes. Yes.
Oh, wait, that's a good thing. That doesn't make it.
So, okay. So how would you graph that?
Okay, reduce it first of all. What's it reduced to be?
Be easier to walk the
3 over 4?
Yeah, negative 3 over 4. And then that goes in the middle of your graph, right?
Yeah. I don't know, that makes it pretty easy for me to stand up.
Right? Okay. So, then you do it just like you normally would. That goes in the middle. So pretend like it's not a fraction. Pretend like it's just negative 3. So if this is just negative 3, then what number would be on the other side? Negative 4. Well, hold on a minute. It's negative 4 over 4. So what's negative 4 over 4? There you go. And then pretend like it's not a fraction. What would go on the other side of negative 3?
Negative 1/2?
There you go. Negative 2 over 4, which reduces to negative 1/2. And then that's it. Yeah. And then it's shaded that way. Okay. Alright guys, there's the answer for number 2. There's the answer for number 2. Make sure you got it right, okay? Alright, let's see. Who's got number 3? Sawyer, do you have number 3?
I do.
Can you come put just the answer in the graph? Like, you don't have to worry about working it. And don't move the paper. Did you use my phone? Yeah.
Is it 27?
And you got an open circle? Yeah.
Hold up, I gotta make sure.
Another word that rhymes with what do you mean? Sorry, how do you know that?
Huh?
How do you know that?
What's bullcrap?
Why do you hate you so much?
Me?
Yeah, why do you hate you so much?
Man, I like it.
If you're like debating on whether or not it's like the same thing. Yeah. So you're, dude, please, you need to wrestle. Because you know Josiah, Josiah did gymnastics. He's just walking on. He's like came back during the summer, like at some point, like we were in like morning workouts and stuff. And we're like lifting and
When did this happen?
like a couple weeks before it started. Bro, you should Oh my god. I need to leave.
That's what I would do in same grade.
I don't know if I'm gonna get up.
This really is bad right now. Like if I'm messing up whatsoever, I will go back. This is what it looks. This is what my handwriting. Look, this is my handwriting now. Look, and then look. This is my handwriting nowadays. Look. This is my handwriting now. This was like a second. I made sure it was something.
Don't worry about it.
Meanwhile, this is everybody else.
Well, you have someone in the right with you. Jack, Nathan, come on now.
What is 3 and 6?
I subtract that.
Is it 3 and 3? This is right.
What?
He's gonna be
Right here. 12 minus 8 is positive. And then you can subtract.
You know what? You know what, dog? That's what I did. I didn't try to choose it.
The only thing is just make sure you put that 8 with that 3.
I had
So you just add it to the right
Greg
side.
did it on purpose.
Yeah, I
So I
did.
made sure you were listening.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, so then 8 go away. Yeah, 4. Yeah, there you go. Back, you get another fraction, okay? This one should be a fraction. That gives you 7.
Yeah, I got a 6. Yeah, I guess it. Couldn't see that was right. I mean, I don't know.
It's like,
Okay, 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 12 minus 8 is positive 4. Crap, though, what'd you do? I know, hold on, I just can't find it. Hold on. Negative 6. Yeah, 3 minus 6 is negative 3. 12 minus 8 is positive 4.
I got negative.
Ah! 4 plus 4 is 8. So you got minus the 4. That's where you got the negative. Right here. That's a positive 4.
I know what that's from.
You can do the opposite. Subtract 4. That's where you do it. That's where you do your negative stuff. So when you divide by negative, it's
That's a positive.
negative 7. When you divide, you just gotta flip that sign. Yeah. To be 5 over 7 is fraction. We have generators, don't do fractions. Leave it alone. Okay. Or x or 5 over 7.
Negative 4x plus 15.
Alright, pretend like it's not a fraction, pretend like it's just 5. What we did before. No, keep it as a fraction. Pretend. Okay. Oh, there's 10. That one you have on the other side of 5.
No, no, no.
Yes, no, it's not divided by fractions. How do you get one
I'm going to tell you that.
Don't divide by it. We multiply by G. Reciprocal. Yep. So multiply by G. The rest of that divided by 1/2. But it's a negative. So we have it more. There you go. And that's negative. There you go. Graph it. Don't divide by a fraction.
Oh, yes.
I'm coming, Kayla. Hold on. All right, guys, check your work so far. Check your work so far. There's number 3. There's number 3 and number 5 and number 6. We already did number 4. There's 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, and 6. Check your work. But you need to put the whole thing around, so you need to let it on the left-hand side. Kayla, do you have number 8? Hey, Noah, can you put up number 8 since you have that one right for me? Just the answer in the graph? Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that shouldn't be. That's not good. Yeah. Okay, so keep it as a fraction. fix it real quick because it's supposed to be the other way. It's supposed to be this way. Like that. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, there's 7 and 8. There's 7 and 8. Look, do you see how he did fractions right here? 5 sevenths, 4 sevenths, 6 sevenths. You all okay? Keep them as fractions. Fractions are your friend. What? Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
How did it get switched though from number 7? I mean number 8.
Yeah.
When I think of when you think of
You need some blood? Need some blood, bro?
No, dude. We'll figure out this now.
Over 9.
Got it right. You just need to move the whole thing around. Yeah, the letter's always going to be on the left, okay?
Should I buzz my hair?
No. You had it right. The whole thing.
No, not right. I don't have clippers.
Yes, Candy. Can I work out number 8? Yes.
why is it pointing that way though? Because I never had it.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Jack. Can you give me specifics?
I never had to split.
What number? Number 8, okay.
Because when you worked it out, the 8 was on
Yeah, the A should be on the other side. Or you should have a negative 1 or 2. I'm coming, okay?
I don't understand how 6 looks like.
Okay, number 6 divided by 5, right? What's the opposite?
Both multiply both sides?
Yeah. Which one you got to do? Number 10.
15x.
Yep. Oh, okay, number 10. Hold on a minute. You got to get that fraction by itself first.
So you just subtract the 10
First.
times
Yep. Yeah. Right here, we divided by negative. Same equality. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative, that puts because you're wrong. All right, number 9. Here we go. Listen up. Number 9, Kaylee, I'm coming. Don't worry, okay? I haven't forgot about you. When you do fractions, a lot of you are still trying to do it the hard way, and I love that y'all can do fractions, but when we get to this really difficult stuff in Algebra 2, you're going to need to know this trick, okay? What can I multiply by to make everything have a regular number, not a fraction? By the denominator, which is 4, right? Here we go. Multiply that. That gives you just n. Multiply this. That gives you. Multiply that. That gives you 3. Multiply that. That gives you negative 16. Okay? Does that make your life easier? I know you can do fractions, and I am so happy that you are a beast at fractions, okay? But there's going to be a time where you're going to need to do this way. So you should get 2n, and then add 16. It'd be 64. Divide, and flip it around. 32, right? 1, 2, 3. 32, 31, 30. Close dot. Go that way. Right? Y'all okay? Oh, gosh. Thank you. What about number 10? What do you have to do first on number 10? There you go. You got to do that first, and you should get a fraction.
37.
All right, go ahead and head back to your seats real quick. Head back to your seats real quick. Go ahead, head back to your seats. Back to your seats.
Lucky the. I forgot my girdle or whatever it is, and I was running stadiums the whole practice.
All right, so look right here. What happens? What happens to the inequality when you multiply by a negative? It switches, right? Then you're going to subtract 5. So you get 9z is greater than negative 37. Keep it as an improper fraction. It'll make your life easier down the road, okay? Y'all okay so far? All right, so that'd be negative 37 over 9. Okay, pretend it's not a fraction. Pretend it's just negative 37. What would go on this side? 38. It's backwards with negatives. Pretend it's not a fraction. If it was just negative 37, what goes on this side? Negative 36 over 9, but that reduces to negative 4, right? Open circle goes this way. Y'all okay? Yeah? No? Sawyer, where's your steps? Come on, baby. We ain't done yet. All right, here we go. We got 4 minutes. We got to fly. You ready? We are not done yet. We got to do intervals. Here we go. How do you read a book? Which way to which way? Left to right. Let's look right here. Stay with me. We have to fly. You ready? Stay with me. Stay with me. Get off your phone. Stay with me. Get off that phone. Right here. How do we read a book? Which way to which way? Left to right. On the left, right here, you have an open circle. If it's open, you use parentheses. If it's closed, you use brackets. Okay? So it's open at negative 37 over 9. Where's it going to the right? What's this arrow mean? That it's going where? Forever and forever and forever and forever and forever and forever. It's a positive, right? How do we write that? What's the symbol that tells me it's going to go forever, forever, and forever, forever? Infinity, right? Infinity. It's a sideways 8. And infinity always gets a parentheses. What, Jack? Yes. All right, let's look at this one. How do you read a book? Which way to which way? Left. Left. Where is that going to the left? Which infinity? Negative. And infinities always get a parentheses. If you don't get off that Snapchat, then you're going to have an issue. Where's it going to on the right? Always parentheses on infinity. But where does it stop at? 32 and 32 gets a bracket. Yes, Matthew? You okay? Okay.
Why is one side parentheses and one side not?
Infinity always, because you will never, ever reach infinity. But you stopped at 32.
I got you.
Okay, all right, let's do this one. Here we go. All right.
We didn't stop for the fraction, though.
Yes, because it had an open.
Oh.
That's why. All right, look at this one. Left to right. Left. Where's the left at? 5. Does it closed or open? Open. And where's it going to? Which one? And infinities always get a? There you go. All right, number 7. Where's it going to the left forever and forever and forever? Which one? Negative. Always to the left. And infinities always get a parentheses. And then to the right, it's going to the right and it's going to the right. And then it stops right here at, it's closed, so it gets a bracket. All right, what about this one right here? On the left, the farthest point on the left is negative 2. Is it closed? Yes. Then it's going and going and going to the right forever and forever. So if it's going to the right, it is positive infinity. And infinities always get a parentheses. What about number 5 on the left? Where's it at? Bracket, because it's closed. What number? Negative 5. And where's it going to? Positive infinity. Here we go. Your homework tonight is to do 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the notation, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do the notation. Yeah, you got it good? Like what you just did. This notation right here. This stuff. Because we already solved them and graphed them. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. See you Monday. We are having class on Monday. We are having school on Monday.
Can you do like a live stream?
I will.